So guys, to make this media server static on our network, we are not going to use anything to do with the server itself. We're just going to get the MAC address. Since this is a virtual machine, I'm going to go over here and go to settings and go to network, go to advanced, and this is my MAC address right here. Now you can do a port forwarding and all that, but that's difficult. So the way we're gonna do this, it's go to our router. Okay, let me pull up our router. I use the EdgeMax. Enter to your router, and then you would set a DHCP reservation. For me, I had to go to services. Okay, let me refresh this for a second. So I had to go to services, and then I added a new DHCP server. And how I did with mine, I named it here, so you can name it anything. Then I entered the subnet of the network that I was in, which is this one right here, and then I chose a range, and then the router. This will be your gateway, and then I added the DNS, and then I saved. And after I saved, this is what I called it, and this is what it looks like. So if you go to view leases, I don't have any leases right now, but I have a pool of 252 and one static. So to add your static address, let's go to details. There, as you can see, there's my router. This is my range. This is my DNS server. This is Cloudflare, and lease time is 1 day. Yep, lease time is 1 day over there. So depending on how your router is, mine I had to go create this DHCP reserve pool and then go to static and create a new mapping, and then I named it media server, and then I added the MAC address, which you would want to use the physical server MAC address, and then enter the IP address of what you want that server to be. Now the reason why I did this is because if I move this server in a different network, my router, because since I have two networks, my router will still see it, and I won't have to go in and change my net plan, which I don't know why Ubuntu did that, but the net plan thing, I haven't figured it out yet. I'll try to set it up that way, but that didn't work. So you go ahead and set your DHCP server that way, and depending on what router you're using, I'm using the Edge, and that's how you create your static DHCP. DHCP reserved pool. That's how you create one. I think that's it. If you can check your router's manual on how to do DHCP reserve using a MAC address. Thanks for watching, and I will look into how to create a static IP address on Ubuntu 18. The net plan thing I still haven't grasped it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.